Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. Look at that number there, 17,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Honestly, this journey has been insane. We are just getting started. So if you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey, whether it be through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. It can be extremely risky and volatile, and I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Jump on all the websites I've recommended in all my videos, especially cryptos like Masari.io, Luna Crush, Reddit, Medium, TikTok if you have to. Just be careful on that. Google everything. Use Twitter. Get confident before jumping into investing. And me personally, I always set a limit for myself. I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit for yourself because you can lose money like that, especially in cryptos. All right, so please be careful. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right. Guys, now that the formalities are out of the way, we've seen the markets go absolutely crazy from the announcement from China that they are making crypto exchanges and transactions illegal. So this is just another one of these news updates that have came through over the weekend. Guys, I'm really not worried about it because, you know, obviously we live in a big planet here and there's a lot of people investing in cryptocurrencies around the world. And I guess, you know, it's only a matter of time before regulation sets in between all cryptos and whatnot. But guys, I'm not really worried about this at all. But let's have a look at the market today. Here's my CoinSpot account. Obviously, if you're new to cryptocurrency investing in Australia, please feel free to use the referral link below. We can get $10 in Bitcoin. And who doesn't want Bitcoin? It's only going to go up in value, guys. Honestly, it will. We are so early in cryptos. Bitcoin sitting at 60,000 today. It's Monday, by the way, and we are the 27th of September, guys. This year's flown. Ethereum 4,200, Cardano $3.10, BNB $482, XRP $1.32. And I'm going to talk about XRP in a minute. Solana's $190, Polkadot $40, Dogecoin 28 cents. Keep scrolling down here, guys. All right, these are my favorite cryptos, by the way. Stellar XLM is 38 cents. VeChain has moved down back to 12 cents, guys. Theta is at $7. This is a great buying opportunity, man. I first discovered Theta. It was like, you know, around the massive peak of the market back in May, and it was like $14, which was ridiculous. Keep scrolling down here, guys. Quant is at $413. Hedera is at 47 cents. Keep scrolling down here. Neo is at $54. BTT is down today. Harmony is down. Oh, sorry, it's up 7.61%. Sorry, and XDC is up to 19 cents, guys. Really bullish on XDC. So let's just get into some updates with regards to XRP. Because there was a tweet posted by this lady right here. Here we go here. So Rosie Rios. Now she's the co-host of Unicorn Hunters, 43rd Treasurer of the United States. And she tweeted this, guys. XRP's primary purpose is facilitating cross-border payments, while other cryptos find their value in speculation, which is, you know, very accurate, guys. China's latest move brings this point home. Ripple, RippleNet, Bitcoin. So there is no speculation with Ripple and XRP, guys. XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies I keep saying that is going to be used by financial institutions, banks, hedge funds managers, all kinds of stuff to, you know, transfer money around the globe. And, you know, it's aiming to replace the old dinosaur system of SWIFT. Excuse me. If that happens, guys, there are trillions of dollars that transacts through SWIFT every year. I keep saying this. It's not solely reliant on retail investors like yourself and I. It's purely going to be businesses and financial institutions that are going to be using XRP as a bridge currency. Therefore, it makes sense to, you know, obviously hold this investment because we are so early in all of this cryptocurrency world that we're all in at the moment. It's only a matter of time before this, you know, case with the SEC either settles or gets dismissed or something happens, and guys, the cryptocurrency XRP will go parabolic because the amount of volume and money transacting through it on a weekly basis. You know, we are talking a lot of money here, guys. And this is, you know, my personal opinion, the SEC has gone after Ripple because of this. And they're trying to delay as long as they can who knows what's happening here with this case, guys. And I've seen an update today in the news, and I'll just get to this now. RippleNet CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the gentleman, the CEO who responded to my email, which is awesome, says that he's open to settling a landmark case with the SEC, guys. That is unreal. Let's just have a read through the news. So Ripple Chief Executive Brad Garlinghouse says the San Francisco-based payments firm is open to settling its lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, under one condition. In an interview with Fox Business, and that interview with Fox Business I watched online, it's really good. Brad Garlinghouse says Ripple would be willing to settle with the SEC if the regulator clearly defines the regulatory status of XRP. So to the extent we can find a constructive path forward with the SEC, we of course want to find that. There is no scenario, though, that we are going to settle unless there is an absolute certainty about what XRP is on a going forward basis. And it's very clear that how Ripple is using these technologies, how many sources of other people in the community are using these technologies. They are not securities. They do not represent an ownership of Ripple, the company. And I've said this many times before. I'm a stock investor. I invest in dividend stocks. When you own a dividend stock, you have the ability and the right to vote on the companies, what they're doing, and the board of directors. You don't have that right with Ripple XRP, right? So, and the other thing is as well, they didn't have an ICO where they needed to raise capital for Ripple's companies and XRP. It was already pre-funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Bank of England, the Bank of America. All these other banks and financial institutions invested in Ripple in the early stages. This is what blows my mind. So, guys, honestly, in that interview on Fox Business, he was saying that Ethereum essentially had an ICO. So you can think of like Ethereum as potentially a security. And he said this in the interview, and it was quite fascinating. So check out that interview, guys. But, he's saying that Ethereum did have an ICO. Obviously, for those of you who got into Ethereum at that stage, you are doing very well for yourselves. But, XRP is not like that, guys, at all. So I keep having a read here. Garlinghouse also says the crypto industry is already significantly regulated, despite the recent statements by the SEC Chair Gary Gensler that the space is the Wild West. I think we lose sight of the fact that crypto is regulated. It's regulated by the CFTC, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. It's regulated by other government entities, whether it's FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and the US Treasury. So when I've heard the SEC people come forward and say, hey, it's the Wild West, it's not regulated, well, that is not
Ripple
entirely true.
XRP won a battle in its 9-month war with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which says XRP is a security, not a cryptocurrency, and hence must be registered and regulated as such. Ripple had filed a motion demanding the...
So I'm going to go straight to my portfolio. So long-term investing, guys, I'm not expecting, I personally think that we are not over this bull run yet. We're still in the bull run and there's still more to come. We are very early in this. I think this is going to continue potentially into 2022. That's my opinion anyway, because there's so much happening. There's so many, big institutions and financial firms that want to start cryptocurrency ETFs, especially that I've seen that many have been lodged with the SEC for approval. This is going to happen, and therefore all this financial institution money and hedge fund money is going to be pouring into crypto assets. So we'll see how we go. Bitcoin, obviously, now just want to show you something, right? I'm not looking at the short term, guys, long term. Have a look at the all time. Let's just wait for this. 41,000% all time, right? Look at the long term effects, guys. Don't look at the short term. Zoom right out. 41,000%. Cardano, zoom out. 9,000%. Scroll out here. XRP, guys. 21,000%. Scroll out, guys. Dogecoin. Well, I'm not investing anymore in Dogecoin, but 125,000%. Unbelievable, guys. Stellar XLM, 13,000%. Keep scrolling down here. Tron, 6,000%. Keep scrolling down to VeChain. Wait for it. 589%. Let's keep going down here. Theta, 2,700%. Hedera, great project, guys. Really bullish on this. 270% of all time. Shiba Inu. Let's just scroll out here. Wait for it. 1.3 million%. That is insane. Neo here, guys. I am holding Neo. Great project. 10,000%. Keep scrolling down here. BTT, let's wait for it. 579%. Some of them are not as high as the others. Obviously, we know the ones that I'm very bullish on. 291% AMP. It's a really new token. Let's have a look at XDC. 3,600% in all time. Theta Fuel, let's just wait for it. 1,500%, guys. Keep scrolling down. Holochain, wait for it. All time, 1,000%. Telcoin, let's have a look. 252%. My phone's very slow, guys. See a coin, wait for it. 34,000%, guys. Let's just have a look here. Digibyte, DGB, 4,500%. Keep going down here. ANKR, guys, all time at 528%. XYO, very bullish on this one, guys. 541% all time. Constellation DAG, here we go. 791%, guys. VThor, wait for it. It's down 73%. That's probably the only one that's down of all time. Let's go to Win. Win here. Let's have a look. It's down 7% as well. There's going to be a couple that are down. Let's have a look here. Reef. Wait for it. Down 14% of all time. Okay, let's go to Ecomi. I love Ecomi. Let's see where that's at. It's up 756%. I'm not going to go to that one. It's just ridiculous. Let's go to Litronium. ETN, guys. Been very bullish lately. It's down 61% all time. Am I worried about any of these? No, because I look out the long term, guys, and obviously the one you've got to keep an eye on is Bitcoin and Ethereum. We all know this is insane, guys. It's up 41,000% in all time. So I guess the bottom line here, and what I'm trying to make a point of, is that if you're in cryptos to make a quick dollar, you know, that's not me. I'm not doing that because you can lose money like that, and I'm not willing to do that. I'm a long-term investor, guys. 5 years long-term, 5 years at least at a minimum. And guys, obviously, if you want to take profits along the way. If we go up, you can take profits. There's nothing wrong with that. I believe that we are so early in all this cryptocurrency, man. It's going to change the world forever. There's going to be a huge wealth change that's going to happen here. And we are so early in this that, it's in the media too much now. There's too many mainstream people, financial institutions, hedge funds, all this stuff with ETFs. I don't think we're going to be ending this bull run for a while now, and I strongly believe that. But anyway, that's pretty much my entire portfolio. Guys, XRP will change the game. It is going to be used for cross-border payments with banks. Trillions of dollars go through XRP on a weekly basis, guys, around the world. It's already happened with bridges between Thailand, Singapore, the Philippines, Japan, South Korea. It's already happening, man, and all the banks are already using XRP. So I'm a long-term holder of XRP, and definitely if this thing goes to the moon, once this case settles, who knows where this price is going to go. Easily double digits, guys. Could be, triple digits. Who knows? We'll see how we go, all right? Let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe, guys. Peace, bye.